everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you and talk to you about our raised beds, our raised bed gardening that we're going to start. Maybe show you some pallet furniture that my husband made that we're going to set up this year. And I don't know, let's start the day. I've got something coming up over here. I think these are crocuses. I'm not quite sure, but I think they are. If I can remember correctly, I think they are. They were planted here before we bought the house. And over here, just in the yard, got these things coming up. Don't know what these are, but they seem to be, they're coming up. You know, maybe those are daffodils. No. Okay, anybody? Those things. All right, now back here, we have a deck in between the house, and I've got some light costas in here that are going to come up. After they come up, I'm going to weed this out really good. That takes a lot of energy. And I'm really glad the hostas are big because they cover up all the weeds. And check this out, cactuses in Ohio. Look at this. I have all these little cactuses that I weeded the other day and had little splinters in my hands for days. But these will, you see how they're kind of mushed down now? They will, in the summer they'll puff back up and stand up. They look like they survived the winter quite well. I'm glad about that. And you can make jelly out of these. I forget the name of these. If I find it, I'll put it somewhere. And our grapevine, we got our grapevine back here that we tore apart. My daughter and I tore that apart. Because it's an old grapevine and it had too many main roots coming up, so we tried to take care of that. So we'll see if we get grapes this year. I don't know if you watched our pruning the pear tree videos, but here's the pear trees. Can you see those? They're still standing. So they're still standing, and that's a good thing. So we'll see what we get out of them this year. Our raised beds are going to go over here in the yard. That is right where the deer run through. That's the deer path. So we're going to get chicken wire or something. We're going to figure out a way to put it pretty high and put it all the way around this garden. I don't want to feed the deer. Here's the area that we have. We're going to move the burn bush or burn pile. We have all this property here to do raised beds. And I think what we've figured is we're going to, what did he say? 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 6 by 12. We're going to do 6 by 12 beds. You said we're doing 6 by 12, right? 4 by 12. I got that wrong. And we're going to do 2 this year and see how that works out for us. But we do have to protect them from the deer because of course that's deer alley here. So don't want to feed the deer. Now if you notice, we have this box. That's the lid, it comes off. And we have these containers. And then over here, we have another box. It's upside down now. Those, the plan is to do beans in those, green beans. The other box, I'm not sure. The 2 square boxes. Not sure about that yet. We're still in planning phase. I'm standing outside my bedroom window and I can hear my piano. The cat is playing my piano again. My husband had two more wood boxes in our red trailer, so we're going to be planting something in those too. Not sure what, but we're going to utilize these boxes that we already have. All right, you see all these pallets on my deck? My husband built me pallet furniture, and when it all comes together, it'll be pretty cool. We gave it to my daughter when we moved into this house, and she's not going to use it anymore, so we're going to set it up. It's like a puzzle putting together. So we're going to clean up the pallets and do what we have to do with the pallets, maybe stain them, protect them somehow, and then get the pallet furniture up. I have a big enough area here for them by the grill maybe. Down there we usually put a glass table. So by the wood pile underneath the pear trees that gave us shade that probably aren't going to give us shade anymore. But that's not what pear trees are for, right? So that's our plans so far around here. The pallet furniture will be cool because all the kids can sit on it. I think so. I'll like
do
it.
some revising on it and do some repairs, but
It'll be all right. And our garden, of course, we got to put the chicken wire around it because it's deer alley.
between deer and squirrels and rabbits
We
and neighbor
wanna,
animals.
Yeah. And my dog and the grandkids. Keep them out the garden. I will plant a cherry tomato plant, probably 2 of them this year because they like to go eat the cherry tomatoes off the cherry bush.
We did those right on the back deck last year.
Yeah, and
Worked out good.
they enjoyed them.
They could reach it.
Yeah, they enjoyed them. All right, well, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.